आज हम एक बार फिर से 10th क्लास माई इंग्लिश कोर्स बुक का स्टैंडर्ड 10th का राइटिंग स्किल्स लेसन नंबर 3.5 द अल्चेमी ऑफ नेचर इस लेसन के शुरुआत करते हैं। सो लेट्स बिगिन। राइटिंग स्किल्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द ऑथर हैज़ वेरी पॉजिटिवली डिस्क्राइब्ड द डिफरेंट थिंग्स इन नेचर एट द स्पेशल फ्यूचर ऑफ ईच वन ऑफ देम। आंसर आपको डायरेक्टली दिया हुआ है, आंसर इज डायरेक्टली गिवन। देखिए इस तरीके से आपको 3 बॉक्सेस बनाने हैं, 3 पार्ट ऑफ नेचर लिखना है, एक में स्पेशल फ्यूचर वैल्यू लर्न लिखना है। वाटर, इट जेंटली फ्लाउज एवरी डे एंड फॉर ईयर्स, कीप ऑन वर्किंग जेंटली फॉर द वेल बीइंग ऑफ द पीपल। नंबर 2, रेनबो, ब्यूटी एंड कलर्स टू द सराउंडिंग्स मेक ऑल हैप्पी। नंबर 3, कैटरपिलर, sacrifice for creating new life, changing turning for better result. Hibiscus, one day life, we should live our life to its fullest. Number 5, rocks, though hard it does not dominate, offer resistance, be humble and stay still and endure unpleasant things without complaining. Number 6, grass, है ना, evergreen, there is always an opening even when the things seem to be impossible. Number 7, tree, stand firmly in cold winter, wait resolutely in difficult time. Wait resolutely in difficult time. Number 8, ants, organized, teamwork and perseverance are always rewarded. Number 9, the wind flow, make people happy with your activities and passion. Number 10, spider webs, delicate, be strong in every situation and difficultly. Question number 2, how can you prove this maxim to be incorrect too? Many cooks spoil the broth. Write a contribute on the given topic. Clue, teamwork. Answer देखिए, the maxim says when there are too many people involved in trying to do the same thing, the final result will not be good. But I believe that the teamwork is always good. We all know that unity is a strength and it is of great value in every walk of life. If we come together and work, definitely our strength gets increased. When there are a lot of people working on a project, then that project may not be completed to such a high standard because an individual can work better than many. It is a common perception of the people, but I think if a lot of people are working on a project, everyone will use his talent to take that project to higher level, so it will be completed on time with good standard. Even when many cooks come together and try to make a single dish with her experience in different fields, it will become fantabulous and dish will be prepared in a variety of taste, color and with varieties of combination, so it never gets spoiled. So I think the maxim too many cooks spoil the broth is totally wrong. In fact, it adds flavor to that dish. Question number 3, your friend has his board exam. He studies for 14 hours a day, sitting at one place. Write a letter to him giving him tips to relax and be stress free. आंसर देखिए, आपको इस तरीके से लेटर लिखना है। विकास शिंदे, 16 मल्हार संकुल, हदपसर पुणे, 12th June 2020. Dear Mahesh, I received a call from auntie telling about your preparation for forthcoming board examination. I am shocked to hear that you study for 14 to 15 hours a day sitting at one place. I don't understand, how do you bear it? You might have heard about all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. It means without time off from work a person becomes both bored and dull. I know the board's exam are around the corner, but if you work as usual with your attention and it is going to be harmful your health. Our body is not machine, it needs some rest. It is my advice to you to take some rest after curtain intervals, watch TV for some time, listen to music, refresh your mind, chat with your family members and friends, play with your friends. It will refresh your mind. Take a break after 2 and 30 hours and give essential time to your mind and body. It will be good for you. I know you are a scholar and always get good marks in exam, but it does not mean that you should ignore your health. Health is wealth. So concentrate on it too. Hope you will try to understand what I mean to say and follow my tips. Convey my regards to uncle and aunt and love to little Ria. Be in touch on mobile. Your lovingly friend Vikas. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 आपको दिया हुआ है. You have an environment protection week to be celebrated in your school. You have invited an environment. You have to interview him her about how to save environment. Frame about 10-12 questions for the interview. Answer. Good morning sir, madam, happy to see here in our school. I welcome you on behalf of our school. Number 1, will you please tell us about your work in this field? Number 2, were you really interested in this field from the beginning? Number 3, as an environmentalist, when did you start your work? What exactly do you do? Number 4, what do you think about percentage of trees and forest? Number 5, what is your end of the world prediction if we don't global temperature below 1.5 degrees Celsius? Number 6, what do you think the government should do? 7, what will you tell people who do not believe in discussed climate change? Being a citizen of our country, what do you expect for every citizen about the intense problem? If there's one thing that everyone could do today to help protect the environment, what would that be? What advice would you give to young generation at this moment? Question number 5, write a news report and environment day celebrated in your school. Answer. Environment day celebrations Nagpur June 7. World Environment Day was celebrated in New Era School with great fun fact. On June 5, the main purpose of the celebration was to spread awareness among people and students about the need to protect environment and the ways to do it. The day was flagged off by a tree plantation and drive in the locality. 300 quick growing trees which do not need much water on a daily basis were planted near the school compound wall and in the surrounding area. And environment Mr. A.T.L.E. spoke on the ways to protect the environment. He also judges the posters and photographs exhibition organized by the school students. I gave away prizes for the best entries. Environment friendly articles like disposable plates and cups made from bamboo and banana stem, bags made from leaf wastes, extra were on sale. Students gave continuous PowerPoint presentation on the threats to the environment. Last but not the least was the spirited debate on the topic, man, the what enemy of the environment? All the day was a great success and has certainly made a difference to the way people view our country, our environment. Question number 6, develop a story with the given ending, give a suitable title and moral. And so Aditi decided to plant more trees. Answer आपको इस तरीके से लिखना है, save trees, save world. It was a World Earth Day celebration. Aditi's school, Aditi was attending it with a least interest. She was not interested in listening to such a boring subject from anybody. She was sitting forcefully for the guest to lecture with her friend. The chief guest, who was a renowned environmentalist, started with a good slogan based the earth, emphasized that the earth is the only known planet in this universe where we get all the necessary requests of life, but the healthy survival is possible for years and years only when we take care and love our earth. Aditi suddenly became curious and started listening with attention. He continued saying, because of the advancement in the lifestyle, industrialization and deforestation, in the condition of the earth is deteriorating. Day by day, it is being fully of pollution, global warming, and greenhouse gases. There is urgent need to save our earth because it is planet where we live. We need to do nothing more in order to maintain of the earth. We just need to plant more trees, grow them well to reduce the pollution level, to maintain the temperature level, and to save our mother planet. We should understand our responsibility towards our mother earth and future of our next generation, as they would not survive on his earth if there will not be a clean natural climate. Aditi realized it and thought a lot of decided to take positive steps very seriously. To save the earth, she thought seriously over the solution and that planting more and more trees. She decided to create awareness among the people as well. She told everyone, save earth, save life, no earth, no life, no earth, no bird, plant trees, save mother earth. She understood that there will be no human beings on this earth if there will be no trees. If we have to save our lives, we have to plant more and more trees. So they decided to plant many trees after listening to the effective lecture of the chief guest.